Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sandari, and today we are going to make homemade wipes. I started making these was because last year my favorite brand of wipes, which are Kirkland's Costco brand, had a lawsuit for PFASs, which are forever chemicals. They didn't have as many PFASs in there that makes it dangerous, but I'd rather not have that in there. So today I'm going to show you how I make my own. So first you're going to need your measuring tools. You're going to use 1 cup of water, a tablespoon of coconut oil, and a teaspoon of Castile soap. Unfortunately, I do not have Castile soap, so I will be using this for now, but don't use this like me. This is just what I have, and I want to show you guys because I ran out of my Castile soap. Of course, you're going to need like little containers. I will have everything listed. You will need your disposable wipes, and this is enough for this little package. So I got my water already. Also have a bowl to mix it up because it'll make it easier to just pour it over. So we are going to do 1 cup of hot water. So we got your 1 cup of water. I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon and 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon. So I'm just going to use this. So it's a little less dishes, but it is 1 tablespoon, and I will leave the recipe below. Excuse me. If I can find the page, I will list that below because this is where I got that from. So we got that, there, Castile soap, and you're just gonna stir this and try not to make a mess like I did. All right, just go ahead and incorporate everything, stir everything up. It will look like this, and that's just because of the coconut oil, because oil and water don't mix. But you're gonna melt it in there, and you can always use essential oils if you like. I just usually do not because the Castile soap that I get it with the essential oils already in it. So you're going to get your wipes out of the pack and sit them in a flat dish like this. This just helps make it easier to cover them, and they're going to soak up all this liquid. So, bless you. So we are going to just pour it over the wipes and get them saturated as nicely as possible. And I usually just squeeze on top of each other to make sure like all of it is getting saturated, because you also don't want it to have too much to be like dripping. So there you go, and you just place it in your containers. These are the containers I have. There's also another container, like the big plastic ones, that you see wipes in sometimes. And you just put it in here. Close it up, and there you go. You got your homemade wipes. Easy peasy, don't have to worry about the forever chemicals. And I would say if you have multiple children, definitely make more than 1 pack. This was just to show you guys how to do it, but I usually make about 4 packs of them. So you just multiply the recipe, of course, by 4 and put everything in their cases. Make sure when you put them in the cases that the cases are sealed, because you don't want your wipes to dry out. I have had that happen before when there was a hole in one of my containers. All right, everyone, I hope this video is helpful for you on your journey of making your own wipes and not having to worry about ingredients or anything like that. And all of these recalls on literally everything in the store. We're gonna have to start doing everything ourselves. So this will help you at least with your wipes and on your baby's skin, which is a huge absorber, so you don't want any of that. So again, everything will be linked below. And if you still have questions, go ahead and leave them below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.